Issuing customer credits in QuickBooks Online helps manage returns or adjustments to invoices. Here's how to give customers credit. Log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Access the Credit Note section. Click on the plus new button located in the left-hand menu. Under the Customers column, select Credit Memo. Select the customer. Choose the customer you want to issue the credit to from the drop-down list. If they are not listed, you can add them by clicking plus Add New. Enter credit memo details. Date. Set the date for the credit memo. Products or services. In the Product or Service column, select the items for which you are issuing credit or add new items if necessary. Amount. Enter the quantity and the amount for each item. QuickBooks will calculate the total automatically. Add a description. Include a note explaining why the credit is being issued. Save the credit memo. After reviewing all details for accuracy, click Save and Close or Save and New if you want to create more credits.